On the Megalia, when you encounter this issue, you need to drain the system. To do this, open the hood and locate the drain plug just below. Open it and drain directly. Next, you need to pressurize the expansion tank, which is located just above. Use a pump to fill it. The water will flow out of the system. Once this is done, you should no longer have any pressure problems. After draining, close the drain plug, then restore the system pressure. On the Megalia, the recommended pressure is 1.5 bar. Make sure everything is closed properly and let the system stabilize. After this, everything should work correctly and the pressure issue will be resolved.